Dear student, today we take the topic Daubigner's triads. German scientist John Daubigner in 1817 classified the element into three groups called triads. These elements in a triad has similar properties and the atomic weight of the middle member of each triad is very close to the arithmetic mean average of the other two elements. So student, Daubigner's made three triads. First belong to the alkali metal, second belong to the alkaline earth, and third belongs to the halogen family. So we take the example of an alkali metal. The first member lithium, which the atomic weight is 7. Potassium, last member, atomic weight is 39. When we sum to 7 plus 39 and divided by 2, it is 23. So 23 is the atomic weight of sodium. So Daubigner's made three triads and the middle member will always be the mean value atomic weight of last one and first one. Newland's law of octaves. Next topic. English chemist John Newland in 1865. According to this, when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic weights, the properties of every eighth elements are similar to the first one. So Newland's made these types of octave: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So then eighth element, sodium is the similar property of the lithium, means alkali metal family. Then magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Then potassium show to the, so every eighth member is show to the group similarity member. So they are made the Newland's law of octaves. Student, the next topic is the Mendeleev's periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic weights. The horizontal rows, periods, and vertical column are known as groups. When the elements are arranged in the order of their increasing atomic weight, the elements with similar properties reoccur at regular intervals known as periodicity. So student, the important contributions of Mendeleev's periodic table is systematic study of the element. Mendeleev simplified the study of chemistry of elements. Knowing the properties of one element in a group, the properties of other elements in the group can be easily guessed. The second contribution is correction of atomic masses. Example, atomic mass of beryllium was corrected from 30.5 to 9. Similarly, indium, gold, platinum, etc. were corrected. The third contribution of Mendeleev is prediction of new elements. Only 56 elements were known at a time. He left some gaps. These gaps represented the undiscovered elements. Example, gallium. He said that element is Eka aluminium. Germanium, they use Eka silicon, which were discovered later. So they gave some gaps. These are the third contribution of Mendeleev. My student, these are the some defects of Mendeleev periodic table. The first one is position of hydrogen. Hydrogen resembles the elements of group first, alkali metals, as well as the elements of group 7th A, means halogen. The anomalous pairs, the increasing order of atomic masses was not obeyed. Mendeleev gives preference properties, not atomic mass. That's why argon 39.9 is placed before potassium, which atomic mass is 39.1. Means higher atomic mass he has first because they are priority to the physical and chemical property than atomic mass. The third drawback is position of isotopes. Isotopes have not given separate places. According to Mendeleev's classification, these should be placed different places depending upon their atomic masses. Example, hydrogen has 3 isotopes. Student, because Mendeleev made the table according to atomic weight, and you know isotopes has the different atomic weight but same atomic number. So position of isotopes in a Mendeleev periodic table is not clear. The fourth drawback is some similar elements are separated and dissimilar elements are grouped together. For example, copper and mercury, different groups. Lithium, sodium and potassium grouped with gold and silver means dissimilar properties. And fifth drawback is cause of periodicity. Mendeleev did not explain this. And sixth drawback is position of lanthanoid and actinoids. 14 elements following lanthanum from 58 to 71 atomic number and actinium from atomic number to 90 to 103 have not been given separate places. So these are the drawbacks, 6 drawbacks. Student, you have seen the tabular form. After the prediction of Mendeleev, the eka aluminium, the eka silicon and the germanium, the prediction is correct. The atomic mass of eka aluminium is 68, and after that Mendeleev discovery they are found 70. So atomic number and modern periodic law is the next topic, student. When I observed the frequency of the prominent X-rays emitted by an element was proportional to the atomic number and not to the atomic weight, Moseley in 1913 gave a general equation under root V is equal to AZ minus V. The frequency of the emitted X-ray and A and B are the constant that are same for all the elements. Moseley conducted that atomic numbers and not atomic weight is the fundamental property of atoms. So modern periodic law states the physical and chemical property of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic number, not atomic weight. So discovery and nomenclature of the elements with atomic number and more than 100. So students, it's very easy. First you remember the digit 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 means nil, root name is nil, and abbreviation use small n. 1 for un, the abbreviation U. 2 for bi, abbreviation B. Tri for T. 4 quad, symbol is Q. 5 for pent and symbol is small p. 6 for hags and symbol for small h. 7 for sapt and its symbol is small s. 8 for oct and the symbol is O. Then N for E. So student, for example, if the atomic number of 104 of any element, so first you can divide it into the 3 segments, 1, 0 and 4. So 1 according to this table, 1 means un, 0 you take the nil, then 4 quad. So student, and last you can write em, means add for this. So it is un nil quadium, and U and Q, first letter of each are the symbol of this. So according to this student, you can write by the IUPAC naming for that. On present display on the vertical table, you can show the 101 to the 118 elements, the IUPAC naming, and the IUPAC official name, which is based on the scientist name, and their IUPAC symbol is according to the IUPAC official name. So student, keep this thing in your mind, and by this root word table you can easily predicted what is the name which elements has more than 100 atomic number. So thank you very much.